Hey everybody, so we're going to solve for surface area of prisms. Now, I can't find my foldable prism. Well, I have this one, it's a square pyramid, but I can't find my triangular pyramid, and this would help us with this. So if you end up finding it, let me know. But we're using this here. So I colored in the base black, and it's kind of black, but it's a triangular pyramid because the base is a triangle, and then there's triangles that fold up to the top point, which is called the vertex. Well, the apex here, but it's a type of vertex. Okay, so we want to calculate the surface area of this. We want the total surface area and the lateral surface area. So if you remember from last week, lateral surface area, and this would be a good thing maybe in your notes, lateral surface area is without the bases. In this case, without bases, in this case, there's only one base. So it's just going to be these three triangles right here. It's everything around it without the base. So total will be all of it, and then lateral will just be these three triangles. So if we're looking at this triangle right here, let's break it up into two parts. Let's first figure out the area of the base, and then let's figure out the area of lateral sides, of the lateral sides. And you know what, we can do that over here too. So let's go ahead and set it up. So let's figure out the area of the base, and then let's do the area of the lateral sides. Lateral sides. Okay, so let's start here. So for the area of the base, we're just solving for the bottom of it. The base, it's this triangle right here because all these triangles will fold up to its apex. Right here, I see, well, we're going to use this formula right here. Base times height divided by 2. And this turns into, well, the base is going to be 4 centimeters. And then the height of it is 3 centimeters. And it's all over 2 because it's a triangle. It's going to be half of that rectangle in which it's inscribed. This turns into 12 over 2, and that's equal to 6 centimeters squared. So this number right here, this represents the area of the base. Now if we look at the other information that's given, in this triangle right here, this base is 4 and this is 3. And I know that the heights of all of these triangles, these lateral sides, have to be the same. Oh well, they're the same. So this distance right here is also going to be 3, and this also is going to be 3. So all these three triangles are the same. Therefore, what I can do is just figure out the area of 1 is actually the same as the base, and then just multiply by how many lateral sides there are. How many are there in a triangular pyramid? Well, there's 1, 2, and 3. So we'll figure out the area of 1, base times height, divided by 2. And the base is 4. The height is 3, and we're going to divide by 2, and we solved it up here, and that was 6, and we're going to multiply 6 times 3. Why? Because there's 1, 2, 3 lateral sides in this triangle pyramid, and that gives me 18 centimeters squared. And this right here is the areas, I'll say the area of the lateral sides. Okay, so it's a little bit cut off. I'll scroll down just a bit. Well, it's frozen. The total surface area is, we're going to add these together. 6 plus 18 gives me 24. So the total surface area, I'm actually going to keep it so everything's nice and aligned. Okay, right about there. 24, this is the total surface area. Centimeters, don't forget your units and the squared units. And then lateral, surface area. Can you see that? Kind of, yeah. It's just the lateral size, which is 18 centimeters squared. Notice how the lateral surface area is always a little bit less than the total. The total combines one more thing, which is those two bases. Well, in this case, just the one base. Okay, now let's go ahead and do this. The area of the base, I'm going to go ahead and shade it in so you can visually see what the base of this pyramid is. Here's the base right here in this square pyramid. Now, square pyramid, I know that the length must also be equal to the width, so I know that this is also 6 centimeters right here. Every single measurement around this square is the same. So the area of the base is just going to be 6 times 6, and that's equal to 36 centimeters squared. So this number right here is the total area of base. Now, area of lateral sides. Okay. Well, I'm given that this is 6, and I know that if it's a square pyramid, then they're all going to be 6. So every single base is going to be 6. And I also know that the heights are also going to be the same. Notice in this shape how the heights, the lengths of all these triangles, these heights of these triangles are all the same. So if I figure out the area of one triangle, and I'm going to highlight it in pink, I just need to multiply by the number of triangles there are. And how many are there? Well, there's 4 triangles. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we'll do, make sure to use this formula, base times height divided by 2. Let's go ahead and substitute what we know. The base is going to be 6. The height, where's my orange marker, is going to be 10. And then divided by 2. That leaves us with 30 divided by 2. And 30 divided by 2 is going to be 15. It's equal to 15. So this is the area of one triangle. But there's 4. So I'm going to multiply 15 times 4. Because there are 4 triangles. And 15 times 4 is going to be equal, I'll write it in green, 60 centimeters squared. And this right here represents the areas of the triangles, or also the lateral area. The areas of the triangles or the lateral area. Okay, so the total surface area, well, we're not quite done. We just need to add all the 4 triangles and the base. So we're going to go ahead and do 36 plus 60, which is equal to 96 centimeters squared. So the total surface area is 96 centimeters squared. And the lateral surface area, not including the bases, is going to be subtracting these 6 times 6. So it's not including this, it's just this, which is going to be lateral surface area is going to be 60 centimeters squared. All right, everyone. Well, thank you very much. Go ahead and get cracking with those problems ahead of you.